Watching Kanchenjunga in the early morning is like a blessing to our life, and we Bengalis are very emotional about this Himalayan peak. That's why we decided to go to east side of Sikkim and enjoy some days over there, and also took pictures of all the beautiful birds from there. So we went to Howrah station and boarded on the train for New Jalpaiguri. From there we hired a car and started our journey towards Lintham. It took a long time to reach over there and we were all exhausted. In the next morning, from hotel balcony, I have managed to capture some white-crested laughing thrush cleaning their feathers. After capturing those beautiful birds, we went for a walk with our cameras to capture some more. We have found some beautiful species up there in Pangolakha Falls.
Some people will use a symbolism of the relationship of God to the universe. God is, say, brilliant light, only somehow veiled, hiding underneath all these forms that you see as you look around. So far, so good. But the truth is funnier than that. It is that you are looking right at the brilliant light now, that the experience you are having, which you call ordinary everyday consciousness, pretending you're not it, that experience is exactly the same thing as it. There's no difference at all. In other words, when you really start to see things, and you go into the nature of what it is to see, what vision is, or what smell is, or what touch is, you realize that that vision is...
We also found some other species like
of the cosmos.
In the next very morning, we have started our journey towards Juluk through Pangolakha Wildlife Sanctuary. We have decided to do some birding over there and try to find two elusive species, blood pheasant and monal. 2 days we have stayed in Juluk and explored the whole Silk Route. We didn't find blood pheasant, but we have managed to spot a female monal. On third day, we have started our journey towards New Jalpaiguri to catch the train. In those 2 days, we have found several species of birds and captured them in camera. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe this channel.